What if I told you there's a temple carved from a single mountain? A monument that modern technology still cannot recreate. Hidden in the heart of India stands the Kailasa Temple, a masterpiece where faith turns stone into wonder. What The Kailasa Temple is located in Ellora, Maharashtra, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a part of Ellora Caves complex, which includes 34 rock-cut caves representing Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. Kailasa, also known as Cave 16, is dedicated to Lord Shiva and represents Mount Kailash, its mythological abode. The temple was commissioned in 8th century CE by Rashtrakuta king Krishna I. This period was marked by immense cultural and artistic growth across the Deccan region. The temple reflects both political power and regional devotion, symbolizing Rashtrakuta's patronage of Shivism. What makes Kailasa extraordinary is that it was carved top down from a single rock. Instead of building it layer by layer, ancient engineers removed over 2 lakh tons of volcanic basalt using chisel and hammers. This method ensures structural stability but requires flawless planning. A single mistake could destroy the entire monument.
The temple is around 32 meters high, 78 meters long and 46 meters wide, roughly the size of modern 10-story building. Despite being monolithic, it contains multiple shrines, halls and towers, all proportionate and symmetrical. The level of precision achieved over 1200 years ago still stuns modern architects. The structure includes a gateway, courtyard, Nandi Mandapa, main Shiva shrine, subsidiary shrine and connecting bridges, all carved from the same rock. The layout follows Dravidian architectural style seen in South Indian temples like those of Tamil Nadu, yet it's entirely sculpted rather than constructed. The temple's geometry is flawless. Every column perfectly aligned, every corridor balanced. There is less than a millimeter of error. Even without modern measuring instruments, how did they achieve such accuracy 1300 years ago? Historians and archaeologists still debate how this temple was carved with such accuracy without modern tools or technology. Some estimates suggest it took over 100 years and thousands of workers, though inscriptions imply it may have been finished much faster, possibly within 2 decades, which seemed almost impossible.
The temple follows Vastu Shastra, ancient Indian architectural science and sacred geometry. Its dimensions mirror cosmic balance, aligning sunlight and shadow with divine precision. Inside, the brilliance continues. Complex drainage systems, hidden tunnels, and natural ventilation keep the structure cool and dry. Even centuries of rain and earthquakes, the temple stands unshaken. Engineers believe such a feat should have taken 200 years, yet it was reportedly completed in 18. How could ancient artisans move and remove rock faster than we can with machines today? From an engineering viewpoint, Kailasa is a study in load distribution and stress management. The rock-cut design allows the entire structure to act as a single unit, highly earthquake resistant. No cement or joints exist, yet it is withstood over 1200 years of weathering.
The temple faces challenges like erosion, pollution, and tourist pressure. Conservation efforts are ongoing by Archaeological Survey of India, but maintaining the original carvings without modern alterations remains difficult. Responsible tourism and awareness are key to its protection. Was it divine guidance or forgotten knowledge, an ancient technology that vanished with time? Some see it as a proof that ancient India mastered both art and engineering at a level we are only discovering today. Today, the Kailasa Temple is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, standing proudly beside the pyramids of Egypt and Machu Picchu as one of the humanity's greatest mysteries. Kailasa teaches us that innovation doesn't require technology. It requires vision, precision, and devotion. It stands as a proof that ancient Indian civilization possessed deep scientific, mathematical, and aesthetic understanding. Kailasa Temple stands not just as a monument but as a message that true creation comes from the union of art, science, and spirit. A timeless whisper carved in stone. When faith meets knowledge, even mountains can move. Thank you.